How to fix ChatGPT your card has been declined error. Hey guys, let's get started. But before we start, the first thing we're gonna make sure is to check if the service is available in your country or not. If you're trying to get access from a place where the service is not available, then this video is not for you, as ChatGPT service is currently available only in few countries, and if your country or area is not on the list of service provided areas, then you might have to wait till the company rolls out ChatGPT in your country. But if it's available, then here are a few things that you can try. So the first thing is to make sure that you have entered correct card details. Even a small mistake in these details can lead to a decline, so be sure to double check your details. And if you're continuously trying to pay for it from a particular payment method, then try using a different payment method. If your card is not working, try using a different payment method such as different card, PayPal, or another payment option that the merchant accepts. Next thing you can try is try clearing cookies related to OpenAI. Sometimes browser cookies may cause the issue. So if that's the case, users should delete all OpenAI related cookies. For that, just open up your browser and click on this three-dot icon right here and go to settings. Once you land on the settings page, tap on privacy and security and tap on cookies and other site data. Now again, scroll down and select see all site data and permissions. Now type down OpenAI in the search bar over here and click on this pin-like icon and finally clear to clear the data. This should also help. And if that doesn't help either, then try disabling certain Chrome extensions that are blocking the purchase option. Chrome extensions can also block the purchase option. So to manage it, tap on the puzzle-like icon over here and select Manage Extensions. Now from here, you can disable the extensions that are blocking the purchase. And if this doesn't help either, then the last option that you can do is contact OpenAI support via email. So just prepare a brief email to OpenAI regarding this issue. Open up your mailbox and prepare an email to support@openai.com. If you have no idea or don't know what to mention in the email, you can just simply use your regular ChatGPT to write the email. Type down write me an email on my card has been declined issue to OpenAI Help Center, and ChatGPT will simply write it down for you. Although, be sure to edit some of the details such as your name or date before you send it out. And ChatGPT will look after your email and would respond to you. So these were some potential solutions to help you to fix my card has been declined issue on ChatGPT. I really hope this video is going to help you out, and thank you for watching till the end.